Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to remove parental controls from Epic Games. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to store.epicgames.com and make sure you're logged into your account as well. Over here, just follow the same web address that I am using. Go ahead, pause the screen if you're not following along. This time, click on your profile. And then go to and click on Account. The first option. Now wait for the website to load. This will take a few minutes, but don't worry, I'm still here. Once you're here and over at Account Settings, scroll down and then look for Parental Controls with the shield icon. Now wait for the window to load. In here, a PIN will be required. You will have to provide it manually yourself. Make sure you won't forget it. Once done, click on Confirm. Now wait for it to load. In here, you will see all the settings for parental controls. Now it's all going to be up to you as to which one you want to turn on or turn off, depending on your parental style. Also, make sure that your PIN, you're the only one who knows, aside from your partner, and make sure the kids or your children or your younger sisters or siblings will not be able to find it out. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.